All right, boys, so today's my birthday. Today's the final day of the giveaway. We're gonna announce the winner later on today. But we're gonna go ahead and do something done with the Yukon. I mean, you'll see the chain, got the exhaust, and I'm gonna show you something right after. So yeah, watch the video real quick, and we're about to get to it right now. All right, boys, so we're gonna go ahead and tie it. Like in front, bro. Come scoot up a little bit, you know what I mean? Like that. So I'm gonna scoot up a little bit. We got the chain tied up to it right now. We're gonna see how this goes, cause yeah, we're gonna find this out real quick. So I thought it didn't spin with the front, I guess, but it did a big ass burnout with the back ones. Check this out. So I don't know, was this bad? So yeah, boys, y'all gotta go ahead and try to support with. We went ahead and made. What? I'm not doing it again. Why not? Because the tire's bald. We went ahead and made this. These little stickers, same thing as the S10. So if you want to support the Yukon build, go ahead and grab yourself one of these, boys. So yeah, I'm gonna untie it. I was gonna do another one, but I didn't know this tire was that bad. So yeah, we're done. And yeah, these stickers will be on the store now. So let me know. It's pausing now. So supposedly we messed up the differential, but oh, we did. Yeah, we did. But for the most part, hopefully this truck has one. So yeah, boys, I'm gonna really need you to buy those stickers. Give me $3. Support the build, bro, please. And I also told him, I was like, hey, bro, I'm gonna try to do this. If it breaks, can I borrow your truck? He said yes. So now we're here. Now I'm gonna be using this truck for a little bit. So yeah, I made sure everything was in place before we did something dumb like that.
Oh yeah, bud, you fucked it up.
How? The tire's no good, bro. Tire's bald. He needs tires. Alright, boys, so the only thing right now is the truck's like locking up the rear diff. I don't know if that means it's messed up or it just got better. But we're about to do a little launch. Let's see if we can do it. It still works. That that was like a real lazy launch. I don't know what's wrong with it right now. Probably a little hot. We're all right. Not worried about that. So yeah, boys, little burnout. Call me if you like it or not. And yeah, support the build. Buy those little stickers, bro, please. Don't have enough for a video. Well, at least I haven't even tried to edit a video, but I'm not happy with how that worked out. Today it rained, the floor is wet. So we're gonna go ahead and try it now with the floor wet, and now we have it, I guess, in this video, the truck's always had an issue where the ABS doesn't kick on, it won't let it burn out, blah, blah, whatnot. Not an excuse. Today we drove it, it stayed on. So now it should do all four, hopefully. But today we tied it against that. Today we're gonna tie it against the truck. Differential's messed up already. Differential's trash. Front diff might trash too. It has to get swapped anyways. But we're gonna go ahead and get that done right. We're gonna see what it does. Hopefully it does the all-wheel drive burner. If it doesn't, we're gonna go ahead and call it. Right? We need all four to spin. If it's not spinning all four, we're stopping. Yeah. Deal? Yeah. He said yeah. So hopefully it spins, bro. Hopefully it looks cool for the video. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. We're gonna tie it against with the truck. You know how? Just drop it down all the way down first. All the way. I don't want to fuck it up. Here, please. All right, boys. Wish us luck. Buy the stickers. No. Yeah. No way. Record. All right, so we're supposed to cut it if it didn't spin all four, and it didn't. Not sure why it doesn't do it. Truck's for sale, never been beaten, always taken care of. Nice daily driver. It is trying to spin it one bit, bro. But the backs is spinning real good. Oh! All right. Oh! All right, that tire's done. Hey, I don't know. They didn't pop those. That's good.
That's not all-wheel drive?
It's all-wheel drive. I just don't know why it don't spin. Damn. Hopefully it look good for the video. All right, boys. Now the end of the video should be the giveaway for the smoking down here. Transcript doesn't work. I'm not sure what's happening, but yeah, end of the video is gonna be the giveaway for the nitrous kit. I've been slacking on that. We'll get that done in this video. But yeah, boys, stay tuned for the nitrous kit giveaway. It should be like it's a little small giveaway, but we'll get that given away, and yeah, we're done with the video. All right, boys. Shout out weak ass Yukon. Now on these tires, but whatever. I broke the truck. You're seeing the Yukon, well, the Yukon's not here, but the Yukon does two-wheel drive burnouts, even though it's all-wheel drive. But, so I said at the end of the video is going to be the giveaway for the nitrous kit real quick. My boy over here at Broke Gang Garage is going to help me record this real quick. I don't have no other cameraman right now. I could do it at home, but I don't want to go all the way home, set it up, and blah, blah, blah. We're not, so we're going to do it right here. We're not going to do it live this time. We're just going to do it through the video. We'll call the person right now, make sure everything's good or whatever.
Make sure you're not lying or nothing.
Yeah, make sure we're not lying. Show the time. Okay, I'm not gonna show the card, but it's 7:24. 7:24, and then we're not gonna cut anything. So there you go. Alright, so we recorded the video with the last video with the camera literally saying when we're gonna cut the video, and it was 7:24 in that last clip, so I gotta put that in there. Now it's 7:26. Camera died, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna repeat it again. 1 through, there's only 18 spots. We're gonna do a random number picker. Generator. I gotta be careful. So we're just gonna do it real quick. Go here. Okay, we're gonna open a new tab. I don't know about all that, man. Random. Make sure you don't fuck. Random number generator.
Let me get
And
a
then
clear
it's-
shot of that. Okay.
It's 18 spots. Let me prove that real quick. Just 18 spots, not a lot. So, we hit generate and we'll call the winner right now. 3. Alright, so 3. Adam Fleming, the homie. We're going to call him real quick. Do I have his number saved? Damn. So you watched the video, but bad for not saving the video, the number, but
Make sure.
we'll get you taken care of right now. Let me call him real quick. I don't know if he's gonna answer or not. Damn.
Yeah, what's up?
Hey, what's up, bro?
Not too much.
What are you doing?
Right here in Mesquite.
Oh, you're Mesquite? Damn.
Yeah.
Well, anyways, bro. You won the Nitrous kit.
Oh, no way.
Yes, sir.
Damn.
Yeah, so
That's tough.
I'll if you're available tomorrow, bro, I can take it to you tomorrow. Drop it off.
Hell yeah.
He said I wasn't, but now I am.
Yeah, I'll pull up too, shit.
No, yeah, bro. I'll go ahead and take it to you tomorrow. That's cool. You're not too far.
Okay, bet.
I'm down the street.
Yeah, let me know. You're gonna pull up with the video and everything? Pull the looking presentable?
Nah, bro. No. I'm recording right now, so you're on camera right now. So.
Oh, shit. Man, well, hey, you know my F-150, I blew up with nitrous?
Yeah.
I'm getting it fixed right now, so guess what? We can blow it up again.
Blow it up again. All right, cool. And we can race against the Yukon.
All right, yeah, I'm ready to put a gap on it.
Oh, okay, we'll see. All right. All right, bro. All right. All right, well, I'll talk to you tomorrow, bro. All right, bro.
All right,
Thank
that
you.
sounds good.
Later, bro. All right, boys. So, I'm my boy Adam. And, yeah, giveaway's done, over with. Next giveaway, we'll do something else. Another camera eventually. Let the funds re-up a little bit. Buy stickers for the Yukon. Yukon's messed up right now. Buy stickers for the S10. S10's messed up right now. I'll put the little clip. The motor, I think it's like blew up or something, but I don't know yet. I won't go too far in detail with that. But yeah, boys, made it this far. Appreciate you watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe to my boys at Broken Garage. They help me out with a lot of stuff. And they come in clutch. And they're like, they come in clutch. They know they do. All right, boys. Peace.